Do AI images violate copyright? Oh, we've already got Stable Diffusion lawsuit. So complicated. You knew it was going to happen. I heard people in the visual arts industry talking about how music dealt with things like Napster and so on. And this is obviously way different and more complex. And many are calling on visual artists to not go down without a fight. So in this case, 3 artists have filed a copyright infringement lawsuit against several AI art generators, including Stability AI and Midjourney. The lawsuit alleges that the artist's copyright was violated when Stability and other art generators trained their software using billions of images, which included copyright art created by these artists. I mean, if you've ever posted any art online, you may very well be a part of these generators of their databases, because it's crawling for images in order to train. In this video, attorney Jake Watson breaks down the arguments. Oh yeah, I think overall Stability does have a very good argument for fair use. It appears that their use of the training images and captions in the LAION 5B dataset is highly transformative, such that it creates a new purpose for the original images. I don't think there's much denying that in addition, it doesn't appear that the new use by Stability deprives the copyright owners of their right to control and benefit from the original work. However, given that this type of technology has never existed before, especially given how quickly it developed, I think that as with the dawn of the internet, we need to be very careful in considering the far-reaching implications that a finding of fair use might have. Fair use is the age-old YouTube stuff that you recall when a commentator might want to talk about a video clip or a news story and their content would be transformative enough. It may be critical, it may be a reworking and not necessarily a substitute for the original, and therefore there would be fair use employed as a defense. It doesn't mean that an accusation couldn't be sent in the direction of the person that posted the content. It doesn't mean that they couldn't be sued. It just means that they could use fair use as a defense, and it has worked in many cases where transformative content lives. In this case, yes, it is highly transformative, but at the same time, without the training and without the access, without the data set, there is none of these things. So it's honestly, it's a tough conversation, and maybe our laws have just not really, they're not well adapted for this type of thing. They've never faced it before, and it's about to be some serious battleground over here.